Have you ever considered how YouTube videos earn so much money? What if I told you that you'd be learning exactly how today? And no, we're not going to talk about vlogging or doing exhausting edits. It's much easier and requires very little effort. Stick with me until the end of this tutorial, and I'll teach you how to create passive income online using YouTube. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. So yes, you heard that correctly. To be compensated today, we're going to use YouTube. As some of you may know, in order to be monetized on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of cumulative watch time. You won't be able to get both of these right away, but in this video, I'll teach you how to make money from your YouTube videos before being monetized. However, once you've been monetized, you'll be able to make a lot of money from both the video ads and the website I'll show you later. With that said, the type of YouTube videos you'll want to get an idea from are the fitness videos found on the Workout Music channel. We've decided to make these videos for a variety of reasons. For starters, they bring in more traffic, which means more money. This channel's most popular video has received 17 million views so far. And it's not the only video with millions of views. As you can see, these motivational films are very popular and draw large crowds. These videos are essentially made up of an image and some soundtrack, and that's about it. For example, the most popular video I just showed you, which has over 17 million views, is made up entirely of a single image that runs the length of the video. Furthermore, images like this are fairly easy to come by on the internet. I'll also show you where you can find high-quality, royalty-free photos and audio for your video later on. It's worth mentioning that several of these channels' recent videos have some video at the beginning. However, the clips only last for 8 minutes in this video, and the rest is simply a plain image. If you stick with me, I'll show you where you can get those clips for absolutely free. Now, just before we go any further, if you're interested in the video so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment down below for me to review. Now, let's get back to hustling. If you go to socialblade.com right now and search for the previously mentioned YouTube channel, you'll see that this person is doing exceptionally well. According to the Social Blade, this channel earns between $244 and $3,900 per month, or over $3,000 to $47,000 per year. The numbers are usually in the middle, but I don't believe they are in this case. Returning to their channel, you'll notice that all of these videos are exceedingly long, allowing them to include more advertisements throughout, allowing them to earn more money. Those videos, in my opinion, bring in at least $7,000 a month for this channel. As you can see, this has the potential to pay off spectacularly for you. The amazing part is that there are only 63 videos on this channel. So, despite the fact that this person just has a few videos, they are still making a lot of money. As a result, this can become a form of passive income. And if you publish 10 videos per month, you can do quite well for yourself and make a lot of money. Right now, I'll show you how to make those types of videos. Let's start with the photos and videos and how to get them. I've got the perfect platform for you. Pexels.com is the name of the website. You may get royalty-free images and clips here, which you can download and use for free and without any copyright issues. Essentially, you should look for words that are relevant to fitness and exercising. Following that, you'll be able to browse through thousands of amazing pictures. For example, this image I found is ideal for the types of videos you'd make. Once you've found the ones you like, simply click on Free Download here to save them to your device. You may also choose the exact resolution of the image you wish to download by clicking on this small arrow next to the download button. However, if you want to include clips in your videos like that previous channel did in the beginning, you can certainly do so. Videos is located in the upper left corner, and there are almost 9,000 of them relating to fitness alone. Simply click on Videos, and you'll be able to find and download the video you're looking for. You'll proceed in the same manner as you did with the images. That being said, whether you include small clips or not is entirely up to you. However, based on what you've seen from the channel stated above, they simply show a single photo throughout the video, so you may have your own preference. Now that you've got a photo for your video, I'll show you where you may get free copyright audios. I'd like to introduce you to the YouTube audio library. Simply click on your YouTube logo and then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. All you have to do now is scroll down and click on Audio Library on the left-hand side. You can find thousands of songs in the YouTube audio collection, and you may use most of them on YouTube without any copyright issues, which means you can get monetized and earn money from ad revenue as well. In any case, because you're making motivational films, you want to use the filter option to select the best tunes. I strongly advise you to sort by genre and mood. For example, you can choose the mood to inspirational, which will display tracks that you might utilize in your videos. Check it out and use the filter to discover the music that you feel will work best in your motivational videos. When you find one you like, simply hover your mouse over it and select Download from the menu that appears. A video song count should now be between 7 and 10. You'll be able to make a video that's between 30 and 40 minutes long, which is ideal. You'll have both the audio and video once you've downloaded both the image and music. Video editing software will be the last thing on your mind. If you don't have any, such as Filmora or Adobe Premiere, OpenShot, which you can get free at openshot.org, is one of the easiest and best out there. In this case, I'll be using Filmora. But keep in mind that what's shown here applies to other video editing tools as well. So keep an eye out for how simple it all is. I've uploaded a couple of tracks and a photo that I can utilize right now. Now let me show you how to do it. All you have to do is make the photo match the length of the audio. To do so, simply move this photo till it reaches the same range as the soundtrack, and that's it. This is exactly what you want to do with OpenShot, and as you can see, it only took me about 30 seconds. You see, you don't even need video editing abilities to make your own YouTube videos. After making your video, it's finally time for me to share the website that you may use to increase your income and earn money before becoming monetized. Kitco is the site's name. This website enables you to create shoppable collections of your favorite products grouped into kits so that your followers can purchase the tools they can't live without. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to organize products. If you're making videos about photography, for example, Kitco lets you obtain a single link that groups all of the different things linked to photography into one place, which you can post in your description. Thousands of people will be able to see them after that. In our situation, since we're doing workout videos, you can market a variety of gym products such as barbells and others. The best thing is that you can add 10 to 15 additional products instead of just one, allowing you to earn significantly more money. In any case, before you can promote anything, you must first create an account here. To make one, go to upper right corner of the page and click Sign Up. Then using the plus icon, you may search for and add other gym products, such as the ones I've shown below. After that, you click Done, and you'll be given a link to use in your video's description. Thousands of people will be able to see it as a result of this. Consider this. If you sell a $50 product to 10 individuals, you've already made $500. Finally, there is a lot of potential here. Then once you've been monetized, you'll be able to earn thousands upon thousands of dollars in a passive manner. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my latest videos. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to know whenever a new video is posted. Leave a comment down below if this one worked perfectly for you. Once again, this is Online Money Blog, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online.